Alright, here's a 2000 Audi A4 1.8T Quattro, and we're on the back end. Here's the exhaust, the rear diff is getting drivetrain noise every time I would accelerate or decelerate. Now, checked the drive shaft for center bearing play. There was no play. I noticed a bad transmission mount on the front, but that wasn't the problem either. Then tonight I got under here, under the rear diff, and you can see that. Fucking bolts on the rear diff cross member. The Allen bolts are loose. This one's coming out. Problem solved.